Massive Shib scandal causes investors to quit Shiba Inu Coin, explained. The thought of investors dumping such a huge chunk of the supply in one go would be scary for any cryptocurrency. Not Shiba Inu, however. The meme coin, with a supply of more than 400 trillion Shib, has established its reputation for being a victim of its own investors. And they might continue to uphold the tradition this time as well. Today we're going to talk all about why investors are pulling out their money from Shiba Inu Coin. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 15th of June, shall we? Shib's symmetrical triangle-like structure saw an expected breakdown due to the token's previous downtrend. The fall below the 2-cent level marked an over 63% plunge towards its 8-month low on the 13th of June. Over the last month, the alt saw a descending triangle on the daily time frame. The recent breakdown reaffirmed the bearish strength. As a result, the gap between the south-looking 20 EMA and the 50 EMA in cyan has been hitting a record high. With relatively lower trading volumes, Shib still stood fragile near the $0.008 zone. Given the current sentiment, a reversal from the immediate trendline resistance could intensify the bearish propensity. In this case, the potential target stood in the $0.0068 zone. Should a sudden spike in buying volumes occur, any breach above the trendline resistance could be short-lived by the 20 EMA. After testing the 38 mark several times, the RSI took a substantial plunge into the oversold region. From here on, a revival was plausible, but would likely be short-term. While the MACD lines undertook a bearish crossover below the 0 mark, the indicator suggested a selling edge. Furthermore, the squeeze momentum indicator continued to take its position below its equilibrium whilst flashing gray dots, thus depicting a high volatility break. Now let's get back to the topic. Shib holders are known for accumulating when the price is low and selling as soon as the altcoin runs up a profit. This has been observed in the past as well, and now that Shib is at its lowest in 8 months, any hike from here on will be treated as an opportunity for booking profits. And knowing Shib holders to be profit hungry, they won't hesitate to leave the token high and dry. Over the last 2 months, since Shib declined by 64.3%, investors have amassed about 1.02 trillion Shib worth $10.6 million, all in the hopes of selling when the meme coin starts rallying again. Usually, Shib's volatility helps the cryptocurrency observe sharp spikes and steep drops every other day. Alas, at the moment, all indicators point towards a gradual depreciation in price as the uptrend lost its strength days ago, giving control to the bears. The impact has been such that on the 31st of May, Shiba Inu registered the highest single-day losses in more than a year. This was when 3.71 trillion Shib were involved in transactions conducted in losses. This further demotivated investors from participating on-chain, which is an issue for Shib since it sincerely needs its investors. After the price began falling following the May all-time high, Shib holders' presence began waning. As a result, the transactions conducted also fell significantly. From an average of almost 70K, the transactions fell to just 4.5K at the time of reporting. Ergo, given the investors' lack of dedication towards Shiba Inu's growth, it is very likely they will sell the acquired 1 trillion Shib, especially since it anyways accounts for less than 0.25% of the entire supply. Shib experiencing downfall. Shiba Inu investors are not worried about the decision of selling off 1 trillion Shib because the meme coin is known for supplying over 400 trillion Shib. All these Shiba Inu investors have started a strategy of collecting a good amount of Shib when the cryptocurrency price is low, as well as selling meme coin tokens when there is an opportunity of driving profit. But Shib token is not showing any future predictions of driving profit in the cryptocurrency market. It's showing its lowest meme coin price to Shiba Inu investors for 8 long months. It's been observed that Shiba Inu has experienced a major drop of around 64.3%. Even if Shiba Inu investors have accumulated approximately 1.02 trillion worth $10.6 million US, the after effect of the downfall of the meme coin. Shiba Inu is known as the highly volatile meme coin that helps it to experience a major hit or major drop almost every alternate day. The bearish market tends to influence the price of the meme coin in this highly volatile market. It has shown the highest single-day losses in over a year at the end of May 2022. There were about 3.71 trillion SHIB tokens that were involved in a financial transaction related to the loss of Shiba Inu investors. In this way, the meme coin is losing the number of investors because it restricted them from participating on-chain. There's been a tremendous decline in conducting financial transactions with this particular cryptocurrency in recent times. Selling off 1 trillion SHIB can turn out to be a positive side for the meme coin because it amounts to just less than 0.25% of the total supply in this cryptocurrency market. Following the Shiba Inu burning initiative. The burning strategy of these meme coin tokens has increased by 113% with the burning of approximately 228.10 million SHIB. According to the Shib burn portal, 410.36 trillion meme coins have been destroyed to date by Shiba Inu investors across the world. There are many different projects that have helped to implement this Shiba Inu burning strategy successfully with a total of 1.1 billion tokens. The main aim is to reduce the supply of this cryptocurrency to create more demand among Shiba Inu investors. But recently, the continuous downfall is leading to the loss of crypto investors from across the globe. The burning sensation of the cryptocurrency. The global cryptocurrency market is anxious to watch Shiba Inu investors selling off 1 trillion meme coin tokens, with several issues such as high volatility, scalability, flexibility, speed, and many more. It's also behind some of the top cryptocurrencies in the decentralized applications, or dApps market. The bearish market for this cryptocurrency is only helpful for short-term investment for crypto investors to hope for some profit in the nearby future. Most of the time, an asset moves according to the prevalent short-term trend. On the other hand, investor sentiment and popularity can buoy a crypto asset higher. Analysts point to the fact that the crypto markets have entered a bear market following a difficult 2022 so far. The term bear market is defined as a market that has shred more than 20% in a given year. Bitcoin is down 35% in 2022, Shiba Inu is down nearly 65%, and many other cryptocurrencies are down by even more. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!